Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can lock down your Note application on your iOS device, your iPhone or iPad. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And remember, I'll be doing a giveaway of 2 Amazon gift cards once I reach 1,000 subscribers. All you need to do to enter that contest is 1. Be subscribed, and 2. Comment down below to let me know you're subscribed. By doing those 2 things, you get 2 tickets in the hat, more chances to win obviously. I think I'm up to 850 subscribers as of this video. So a couple more days I should be good to go and I will do the drawing. So make sure you enter that contest. Today's video is all about how to lock down this Note application on your iPhone or iPad. You can find how to do that on a MacBook and one of the cards up top here. So let's just jump right into it. Go to your Note app and create a new note. Bottom right hand corner with the little pencil in the square. Type whatever you want. If it's something important, banking info, credit card info, something you want saved that you don't want anyone to see, I'll just do fake password. I know a lot of people don't know how to do this, how to lock their notes down, which is pretty awesome. I mean, you just don't want your phone to end up in the wrong hands. Someone unlocked your phone, they don't want to see what you have in your notes. So do fake password. Once you type whatever you want saved, hit that 3 dots at the top right hand corner next to done. Hit the lock button, purple lock picture right here. Make a password. Verify that password. Make a hint for the password so you don't forget it. And if your phone has the option of Face ID, I will leave that enabled just so it can obviously scan your face and not so much use the password. Just leave that enabled. And remember, if you forget the password and you don't have Face ID enabled, you won't be able to get back into your notes. So just keep that into consideration. Remember your password, and if your phone supports it, enable Face ID. So fill all that stuff out, password, verify, put a hint in, and then hit done when you're finished. Alright, so now it says, as you disappeared, but it said lock added. So if you click the lock right here, right now the note is unlocked. If you click that, it'll say this note is locked. If I go back and I click on notes, I have a couple notes here that I'm just toying around with. My top one, the recent one that was locked, was this one, fake password with the lock. If I click on that and I click on view note, it did Face ID for me. Since I have Face ID on my phone, yours may ask for your password. So whichever one has it, just use it to unlock your notes. And that's it, guys. That was how to lock down your notes on your iPhone or iPad. Hopefully it helped. I know a lot of people don't know how to do it. I just want to make sure that people understand you can put sensitive information and lock it down, keep it away from people, and just keep it safe. So hit that thumbs up button, comment down below if you guys have any questions, enter that contest. We're super close, so subscribe, let me know you're subscribed. You'll get 2 entries in the hat, and I will see you guys on the next video. Later.